I seriously want to know what YouTube is thinking anymore. Look closely at your app right now. Do you notice something missing? The like counter is completely gone from the button. It's just a blank, empty thumb. Now, if you look like a detective under the video title, they casually hid it in a tiny line of text next to the views, but on the button itself, zero info. They are actively pulling the same exact stunt they pulled with the dislike button a few years ago, and we all know how that turned out. Think about it. Why did they hide dislikes? To protect creators. But in reality, it just lets scammers, fake tutorials, and clickbait fraud videos run completely wild because viewers couldn't warn each other anymore. Before, you could judge a video instantly by looking at the metric ratio. Now, you're walking in blind. And now they're coming for the like button. If viewers can't instantly see a massive number of likes on the button, it destroys the community's voice. YouTube wants to control exactly what you watch without you questioning it. Right now, the PC version still shows the count. But let's be real, how long is that going to last before they kill it there too? Even creators are getting screwed. YouTube just stealthily removed the like to dislike ratio from the main creator dashboard. They don't want anybody seeing the real sentiment anymore. They are literally forcing us to dig into deep analytics just to see if people actually enjoy a video or hate it. Get ready for your feed to be absolutely flooded with junk and fraud videos, because the last line of defense we had to judge a video's worth is being erased without any warning. Honestly, I'm sick of it. Check your phone right now. Has your app updated to this trash layout yet? Drop a comment below and let me know if you're as fed up with this enshittification as I am.